Hello guys, so it was not the great day today and it was the trading range day type of structure. Now the market activity quite very much confusing. In the morning market must have to open on the higher side as I said in the pre-market analysis audio, but it opened on the lower side. Okay, yes, still it was the positive side opening, it was the 0.23% opening, but I am expecting somewhat 0.89% on the higher side and the opening range. That should be 0.7% to the 1% like that. Okay, so as market opened on the lower side, I clearly mentioned that, and in the Telegram channel after the actual market opening at 9697, okay, after the settlement price, I said that kindly look for the bullish structure, okay, that can give you the target on the higher side. So I personally gave you the one trade idea, okay, at this place at 9:30 a.m. and personally I have taken the trade as well in this particular candle, and as soon as market achieved one of my target, I exited somewhere around here. Now if you are going to say, sir, here can we go for the short? No. Why? Because as the context, okay, that is suggesting to move the market on the higher side and it was moving on the lower side, so I was not that much confident on the downside. So I am not confident means what? Look, when you are going to analyze the market and your perspective towards the market is going to be changed, okay, somewhat professionalism will be there, then you are going to think as per some FIIDI, who moves the market, so my personal view, it is on the higher side and it is on the lower side, so I am not going to do anything. When I am going to do anything, or when someone who are having somewhat very big capital, huge capital, when they are going to make the trades, when they finalize that, they feel that yes, now it is okay to go long, or now it is okay to go short, now it is okay to take the exit, or now it is very better to take the entry. Okay, so like that in the morning I didn't trade in anything, nothing. But as soon as my criteria fulfilled over here, I have taken the trade here. Yes, now don't tell me, sir, trading inside the CPR is prohibited. Yes, I know that trading inside the CPR is prohibited, but the system is there, okay, and based on that I am taking the trades. So it is obviously yes for me that yes, trading inside the CPR is not that much prohibited each and every time. Okay, based on the overall context of the market, we can go for the trade, but we must have to be cautious as well whenever you are going for the trade. So what I did is I made the entry somewhere around here, not at the lower place. No, I made the entry over here after final confirmations. Then here I made the exit. Why? Because here, if you are going to analyze this in the multiple time frames, the biggest reason is it is the POC level for the today. Biggest reason is the POC, market profile POC. Along with that, if you are going to analyze this in the multiple time frames, I am going to give you the homework. Okay, I am not going to show you this in the post market analysis video today. Okay, you must have to analyze by yourself. Kindly change this time frame to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame Cambrilas, okay, monthly time frame Cambrilas, weekly monthly time frame CPRs, okay, and analyze this in the 15-minute time frame chart candlestick as well. So you are going to get many answers from that. I am teaching one concept in the training program, mentoring program, confluence, and this was the very higher confluence zone, very huge amount of confluence over here, and along with that here also, okay, the DPZ is there. Along with that, if you are going to change the time frame of the pivot points, then also you are going to get one more answer. So these levels are quite very much resistive. So it's better to be very much cautious to trade, even if you are going to make an exit or entry. Then also in both of the condition, you must have to be very much active. Then after that, I sent one message in the Telegram channel that guys, I'm not going to trade anything because again, the sellers bears are taking the charge over here. Okay, here also if you are going to analyze, okay, then also you can make the trade entry over here to target on the lower side, because in the 1 minute time frame chart there is one very good trend line was there. Okay, here like this. Okay, kindly change this into the 1 minute time frame chart by your own self. Okay, you will have the answer. Okay, so here also you can go for the trade, stop loss above this 10-15 candle high, okay, and target to the lower level. Now as soon as market is reaching to this lower initial balance level, and this is the demand zone over there, as soon as market is reaching over here, you can clearly see that market is making some pause in the downside movement, okay, and that indicates that there is some higher probability of trading range day type of structure today. Trading range day, when what are the levels? Yes, initial balance high, initial balance low levels, yes, it is there, but trading range day can happen in between this CPR to the DS3 or the DR3 as well, okay, and today it was that structure. Today overall context, if you are see, then POC, and on the lower side this is the initial balance low, along with that this demand zone from the initial balance low, along with that this DS3 as well. So overall this was the context for the today, and market was moving here and there. So this was the very good example, great example of the trading range day. Here also, yes, market is breaking the higher level, but look how market is making the reversal. Okay, even as I said, I'm not going to trade. I didn't trade anything after this. Okay, only one trade in the morning and then nothing. Here, let's say if you are going for the trade, then you must have to be flexible. You must have to analyze market very much well. Okay, here where you can keep your stop loss, candle closing below this CPR. Okay, so here even if you are going to take the trade at this place 567 around this level, okay, above this POC level, by looking at the overall movement on the higher side, okay, here market made the reversal. As soon as it is suggesting you some reversal, rejection, you must have to be very much active. What is happening in the market, you must have to analyze the data very well, and as soon as it is trying to reverse on the downside again, probably you must have to make an exit in this candle, 15 candle, this 1500, okay, 3 p.m. candle. You must have to make an exit over there by making very small amount of loss, very much small amount. So this is how, if you are going to track the market based on the initial balance and the 6 types of market days, along with that this overall price action concepts, okay, the Dow theory, market profile, then it will be very much easier for you to trade the market very effectively. It's not that much complicated, guys. It's not that much complicated. Yes, it is very simple as well, but it will require one-time hard work. It will require one-time hard work. Today I shared one message in the Telegram channel about the multiple time frame analysis. Okay, one side there was the hourly time frame chart, and on the other side there was the 15-minute time frame chart. And I said that one time frame it is suggesting convergence in the RSI, and another time frame it is suggesting the divergence in the time frame, divergence in the RSI. Okay, so overall, if you see the today's market context, there is nothing. It is completely premium erosion. It is completely trading range day. Okay, so kindly remember this. What is the initial balance range today? You must have to remember this, guys. Those who are tracking this initial balance in the 6 types of market days very much carefully, then kindly remember this. What is the initial balance range? 0.69%, very near, very close to the moderate initial balance range. Okay, and these criteria are also fulfilling. Okay, here you can make the confirmation, here also. Okay, here if you are going for the trade over there, here you have to wait. Why? Because ultimately below this initial balance low we are having this PDL level, and below that PDL level we are also having this DS3. So you cannot go for the short. No, you cannot go for the short. And on the trading range day, kindly what to say, remember kindly remember this context. Okay, market is going to show you the range bound movement in between the CPR or ZPZ to the DS3 or the DR3. Okay, so guys, this is it for the 2 days market movement. And on the broader picture, if you see, let me change this to the daily time frame chart, and I'm going to hide this indicator and all the things. Okay, in the daily time frame chart, you can clearly see that market again formed the base candle, and it is quite very much neutral as well. Yesterday, means on the last trading session and day before that as well, market formed back to back 2 bearish base candles, but today it is completely neutral candle. Okay, and neutral. And if you are going to analyze the closing session, okay, this is after the 3 p.m. movement. Okay, around 3 p.m. whatever the movement is there, this is the closing session movement, and if we are going to give somewhat more importance to this closing session movements, then it is suggesting somewhat bearishness in the market. Okay, this is somewhat bearishness in the market, but we must have to wait. Why? Because we can confirm below these levels. We can confirm below this PDL level, means today's low. So tomorrow, which level is most important? Lower level. The low of the today, that is going to be very much important. On the higher side, yes, we are having virgin level on the higher side, but for that, market must have to open gap up somewhere around this range, and then it must have to break this level with the decision. Okay, confidence should be there. Yes, on the broader picture, it's PDL level, but I am not expecting this. Yes, it can be, but currently the probability that I am feeling, it is somewhat 20 to 30% only for the higher side, but it is more towards the lower side. Okay, but the tomorrow's market opening, okay, that is going to be very much decisive. So based on that, I am going to make the comment in the tomorrow's pre-market analysis audio. So guys, if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, okay, then kindly join. That link will be in the description. Okay, I'm sharing daily pre-market analysis audios before the market opening on day-to-day basis. So kindly subscribe to that Telegram channel and this YouTube channel as well. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Kindly like to this video, subscribe to this channel and comment below this video as well. वो तो आप करोगे नहीं, लेकिन फिर भी आपकी इच्छा. Okay, thank you guys.